today let's start with chapter number 10, transport and communication. So in this chapter we will study about transport and communication. So what is transport? It is a system developed for carrying different people to different places. So if we talk about in the past, we had to travel by foot to the long distances and have to carry the heavy loads on our back. So with the invention of the transport, the first revolution in transport began with the invention of the wheel. All forms of transport we see around us now happen because of this invention also. अगर व्हील का इन्वेंशन नहीं होता तो आज के टाइम में जो आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट देखने को मिल रहे हैं वो नहीं मिलते. So we have land transport, water transport and air transport. So first is land transport, which is dividing into two parts, roadways and railways. For railways we need a track. So roadways, India has wide network of roads, they link almost average village, town and city. The Grand Trunk Road is one of the oldest and largest major road. ये किसने बनाई थी? Emperor Sher Shah Suri ने 1542. This roads connects the eastern and western region of India. It runs from West Bengal across the North India into the Peshawar in Pakistan, and Grand Trunk Road leads to Afghanistan through Khyber Pass. So we can say that the country road network, it consists of expressway, national highway, state highway, major district roads and village road. India has well-developed road on mountainous region. The highway connecting Shimla to Leh, Ladakh, ये world के highest motorable highway. So if we talk about national way, national highway, which is NHAI, which is responsible for maintenance and management. जितने भी national highways जो है इंडिया के, उनका मैनेजमेंट कौन करता है? NHAI करती है. And the Golden Quadrilateral, ये 6 lane network है, which is developed for connecting metropolitan city, जैसे आपकी दिल्ली, कोलकाता, चेन्नई, मुंबई. Then we have railway, which is the fourth largest railway network in the world. First, it was started in 1853 to Mumbai से थाने बना था. It's covering a distance of about 34 kilometers. Right? Railway क्या है? सबसे comfortable means of transport है, and they're preferred by travels all over the country. So large amount of commodities are carried to the center of industries and markets for sale. There are the special train called good trains, which is used for this purpose. Manufactured products are made available to every citizen. And Indian Railways, they are divided into various zones. They have different headquarters. And almost whole country, जो आपकी पूरी country है, ये connected है through railways, including hill station. Like Ghat route cuts through the Western Ghats in Vindhyas and Satpuras. So there are different types of trains, like we have super fast expressway, slow passenger. They provide all comforts within the compartments of passenger. और जो super fast train है आपकी, they have limited halts and passengers can reach there have limited quickly. So वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस और गतिमान एक्सप्रेस, ये दो फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन, अगर आपसे पूछी जाए कि फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन कौन सी है, तो आपकी गतिमान और भारत वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस है. The place of wheel in a luxurious train which promotes culture of the state of Rajasthan. ये कनेक्ट करती है राजस्थान और दिल्ली को. एंड द डेक्कन क्वीन, जो आपके मेजर टूरिस्ट स्पॉट है महाराष्ट्र के. एंड दीज टू ट्रेन्स वर इंट्रोड्यूस टू अट्रैक्ट फॉरेन टूरिस्ट. ये किसको अट्रैक्ट करती है? फॉरेन टूरिस्ट को. Many years ago, steam engines were used in trains. Now they have been replaced by diesel and electric engine to increase the speed of train and shorten the traveling time. और जो रेलवेज आते हैं होते हैं ये मोस्ट कन्वीनियंट एंड सेफ मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है आपके, राइट. देन वी हैव वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो वी कैन से दैट जो वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट है वो आपका ओल्डेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है, राइट. Indian waterways are very ancient and our ancestors had made trade relation with other countries through various transport. गंगा और जो ब्रह्मपुत्र है ये मेजर इनलैंड वाटरवेज हैं, और जो लेगून्स ऑफ केरला है दे आर ऑल्सो यूज फॉर नेविगेशन. Waterways have also been a great development in the last few decades. Modern ships have all facilities. जितनी भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस है वो आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलती है. Sea routes connect the major ports within the country and also the ports of various country. Help to import and export large consignment. Container ship हो गई आपके, ऑयल टैंकर हो गई, ये कार्गो, while passenger ship carry people to various parts of the world. Now major ports like we have Cand, Mumbai, Maramgao, Mangalore, Kochi on the west coast, on Tuticorin, चेन्नई, विशाखापट्टनम, हल्दिया, ये आपके ईस्ट कोस्ट पे है. और जो माइनर पोर्ट्स हैं वो आपके कहाँ लोकेटेड है? वेरियस पोर्ट्स पे and they are governed by the state government, right? Then we have air transport. So these days, many people prefer to travel by air because it is the fastest means of transport. We fly across the high mountains where there is difficult to work, right? So most of the nation in the world have their own national international airlines. India also have domestic and international airlines. एयर इंडिया क्या है आपकी वन ऑफ द लीडिंग एयरलाइंस है कंट्री की जो दोनों पैसेंजर्स एज वेल एज कार्गो सर्विस प्रोवाइड करती है. देयर आर अदर प्राइवेट एयरलाइंस लाइक जेट एयरवे, इंडिगो, स्पाइस जेट, गो फर्स्ट, विस्तारा जो ऑपरेट करती हैं डोमेस्टिक और इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स को. देयर आर मेनी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स इन इंडिया, राइट? सो लाइक वी हैव दिल्ली, मुंबई, चेन्नई, कोलकाता, बैंगलोर. वी गो टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स और जो एयरवेज है वो हेल्प करता है टू रिसीव एंड सेंड गुड्स टू फार ऑफ प्लेसेस within a short time. Now, communication. Transport networks helps people to move from one place to another. Their communication network carries out thoughts and messages to every corner of the world at an unimaginable speed. Postal service was introduced in India during this period of the British Viceroy Dalhousie in 1854. And postcard, inland letters, and your postal stamps and envelopes. So they mail letters for sending parcel. Post office also picks and delivers letter. We can also send money through post office. It receives and distributes thousands of letters and cards every day. Then there is a network of post office all over the world, and postcards and inland letters they are commonly used to send personal message, letters and postcard to reach addressee. We use telegram to send short and urgent message quickly. So हम aerograms का यूज करते हैं मैसेज को सेंड करने के लिए. कॉरियर सर्विसेज पिकअप एंड डिलीवर लेटर और जो पार्सल फास्टर होते हैं एंड दे फास्ट बट मोर एक्सपेंसिव. पोस्ट ऑफिस ऑल्सो ऑफर्स कॉरियर सर्विसेज जैसे आपकी स्पीड पोस्ट. So telephone is very important medium that has brought about revolution in the field of communication or एक fastest mode. So we can say oral message can be conveyed and received immediately by using the facilities of STD and ISD for the long distances. Now people use mobile phones and police and armies they use wireless phones. Now internet which is a global system, right? Of interconnected computer network, it is fast growing form of communication. मैसेज जो होता है वो ईमेल के थ्रू हम भेजते हैं एंड फॉर्म ऑफ पिक्चर साउंड एंड वीडियो कैन बी फाउंड एंड सोशल मैसेजिंग एप्लीकेशन लाइक व्हाट्सएप एंड फेसबुक आल्सो रन विद द इंटरनेट कनेक्शन. Mass communication, letter, telegram, telephone are used for personal communication. Newspaper, radio, television, cinema, they reach a lot of people at the same time and they are the means of mass communication. Now newspaper. Newspaper are published in many languages. They give information about sports, politics, क्या business है, क्या entertainment है. Magazines जो published होती है, special group of readers. Some of read articles of sports, films, health. Magazine are usually published weekly, fortnightly or monthly. Now radio, television and cinema. People listen to news, music and sports commentaries on the radio. Akashvani, All India Radio. ये हमारा नेशनल रेडियो नेटवर्क है. देयर आर सेवरल रेडियो स्टेशन जो रिलाई करता है प्रोग्राम्स पे इन मैनी लैंग्वेज एंड नियरली वी कैन से नाउ प्राइवेट एफएम रेडियोज आर बिकमिंग क्वाइट पॉपुलर. सो टेलीविजन जो है वो ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है देन रेडियो एंड दूरदर्शन इज आर नेशनल टेलीविजन चैनल. पीपल वॉच द टेलीकास्ट ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स एंड प्राइवेट केबल नेटवर्क जो है वो आपको वेराइटी ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं एंड सिनेमा इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर सोर्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट फॉर द पीपल. Next is your satellite communication. So satellite, what are these? These are electronic device that are sent to space through rocket. They revolve around planet. They receive and transmit signal. और जो टेलीफोन और कंप्यूटर सिग्नल्स होते हैं, they are also sent through the communication satellite. And Indian first artificial satellite was आर्यभट्ट. जो पहली artificial satellite है वो क्या है आपकी आर्यभट्ट. This was all about this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.